Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a machine that perfectly blends supercar adrenaline with everyday comfort. Yep, the brand new 2026 R8 has arrived, and trust me, this one's rewriting the rulebook. For years, the R8 has stood as the car that gave you exotic thrills without sacrificing practicality. But for 2026, things have changed in a big way. The design, the tech, the engine, it's all been reimagined. So, buckle up, because we're taking a deep dive into the new look, the futuristic interior, that twin-turbo V8, and of course, whether it's worth the massive price tag. Let's start with what you see first, the design. The 2026 R8 looks meaner, wider, and sharper than ever before. Every line, bend, and curve has been sculpted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The iconic side blades that define the R8's identity are still here, but now they blend seamlessly into a lower, more dynamic profile. Up front, you'll spot the new wider grille, massive air intakes, and those futuristic digital LED headlights that almost look alive when they light up. From the side, the stance screams performance, and at the back, things get even wilder. A reworked diffuser, animated LED taillights, and gigantic oval exhaust tips that hint at the beast waiting under the hood. And for those who love a little flair, there are new paint options like metallic glacier blue, stealth matte gray, and a wild solar flare orange that pops like crazy in sunlight. Add in the new 21-inch performance wheels, and you've got a design that looks fast even when parked. Slide into the cabin, and it feels like stepping into the future. Everything is driver-focused, sleek, and intuitive. The centerpiece is the 12.9-inch digital cockpit, a fully customizable display that can switch between classic gauges, track-focused performance views, or even navigation overlays right in front of you. The dashboard is wrapped in fine leather, the trim mixes aluminum and carbon fiber, and the paddle shifters feel super solid in your hands. You get premium Napa leather sports seats with optional diamond stitching and Alcantara inserts for that extra race-inspired vibe. And tech lovers, you're covered. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 16-speaker 3D sound system, and over-the-air updates through the latest infotainment interface. The customizable ambient lighting is the cherry on top. It makes night drives feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Alright, let's get to the part everyone's waiting for, performance. Yes, the naturally aspirated V10 is gone. But before you get nostalgic, let's talk about what replaced it. A brand new twin-turbocharged V8 developed in collaboration with some of the biggest performance names in the business. In the standard coupe, it pumps out around 572 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, while the performance trim pushes it up to 631 horsepower and 590 pound-feet. That power is sent through an updated 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and the latest evolution of the legendary all-wheel drive system. The results? 0 to 60 in about 3.2 seconds for the base model, and just 2.9 seconds for the performance version. Top speed, around 205 miles per hour. The adaptive suspension offers multiple driving modes, comfort, dynamic, and performance, letting you tailor the ride for cruising or for carving up a racetrack. For serious drivers, there's even an optional track pack with stiffer coilovers, ceramic brakes, and lightweight forged wheels. And that exhaust note, even though it's turbocharged now, it still delivers those addictive pops and crackles, pure driving music. On the road, the 2026 R8 continues to do what it's always done best, deliver supercar thrills without being a pain to live with. Visibility is surprisingly good, the ride comfort is impressive for a mid-engine car, and you can actually take it on long drives without breaking your back. It's the perfect mix of brutal performance and everyday usability. The steering feels precise and perfectly weighted, giving you that confidence through every corner. Whether you're hitting the highway or tackling twisty back roads, the new R8 feels balanced, stable, and thrilling all at once. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 R8 Coupe starts at around $170,000, while the performance model jumps to about $205,000. Go wild with all the options: carbon fiber add-ons, ceramic brakes, and custom finish, and you're looking at close to $240,000. Is it worth it, honestly? Yes. This car marks the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. It may have lost the V10 roar, but what it gains in power, torque, and cutting-edge tech more than makes up for it. It's a supercar that respects its roots but isn't afraid to evolve, and with whispers that this could be the last combustion R8 ever, it might just be a future classic. So, what do you think of the new R8? Do you miss the old V10? Or are you all in on the turbocharged future? Drop your thoughts below, I'd love to hear your take. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next feature on the world's most exciting cars. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep your love for speed alive.